We have a super cute house in Clinton that we want to show y'all around. Scott, what are the details?
707 Berkshire Street. It's a 4-bed, 3-bath, 1,813 square feet.
Coincidentally, this is my favorite house on this street. So, you know I like it. I think y'all will too. Let's go. And we all know y'all care about one thing, which is the price. Scott, what's the price?
$225,000.
Let us know if you want more details. Bye.
Bye.